Hello you guys, welcome to my crib. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick empty apartment tour.
My heart's in the sky, supernova.
So when you first come in through the front door, there's like a little foyer. So there's a window right here, and then there's like a little corner area where I'm thinking I could put like a bench or something like that. I'm not sure yet. And so it leads right up to the stairs, but before you hit the stairs, you have the garage. So when you're going up the stairs, you have a window here. That's what I liked about this apartment. It's like a lot of windows and a lot of lights. And so when you first walk up the stairs, there's a half bath here. Perfect room for decorating. Then you have your living and dining combo, in addition to the kitchen area, which they already put some stuff on the kitchen counter. So continuing, this is the kitchen, and I love this kitchen because it's like, I don't know, very neutral tone. So whatever decor I want to add, sorry y'all. The boyfriend, the guys were just here. They literally just stepped out and they left their little water bottles here. It's neutral tone, so I can do whatever color I want as far as like rugs and everything go. I don't know. I want like a runner, but I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet. And then in here, there's like a little laundry room area where I could put like all the... Am I covering the mic? I don't even know. Jesus help me. There's plenty of storage in here. You could put like your broom, your mop, Swiffer, all your detergent, anything cleaning supplies would go in here. And I don't even know how to close or turn off the light. Okay, here we go. Moving along. This is the pantry. And then I think this is like an AC, oh no, it's a coat closet. This is a coat closet, and it's upstairs because downstairs all you have is that foyer area. I don't know why they didn't put the coat closet there, but we'll take it. So going up the stairs, as soon as you come up the stairs, you have a linen closet. Fill this up with some goodies. And then the first right you make is my office. And it has a, hi y'all, it has a bathroom in here. So it's the same granite, same color cabinets. And then it has like a tub shower combo with areas to put like store things like your shampoo, conditioner. Okay, so here's a walk-in closet. It's like a baby walk-in closet, I don't know. But it's good enough for me. And this is the master, hey again. The bedroom's upstairs because it's at the top floor. You get vaulted ceilings. And it was in the other room too. I'm not sure if I showed you that. Here we get another walk-in closet. This one's a bit bigger and it has like a little foot or shoe area here, which I love. Thinking about putting something on this side, I don't know yet. I kind of want built-ins, but the cheap ones, like the ones from IKEA. This is the master bath, and that is me. So, I don't know. I think Mag said this should be my side because it has like the full storage area, whatever, on that side, but I don't know. I kind of want this side because both sides, what's important to me is to have the outlet. And both sides have the outlet. The mirror here would be pretty awesome for when I'm like getting ready. I have like different angles and stuff so I can get ready. So I don't know. And then this is just the shower. I hate showers that have frames, but the chrome is fine. It's fine, it's fine. So yeah, I'm thinking we're gonna change the shower heads, but I'm not sure yet. Usually anytime I move into an apartment, we change the shower heads. I don't know, that's just like a thing I do. So maybe we'll do that. So, I don't know why I look so blue. I think I messed up the lighting on the video again. I tend to do that. So that is it for the empty apartment tour. I will see you guys in a little bit actually because I need to shop for it, but it'll probably be in a different video. Once again, if you guys loved what you saw here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss a thing. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!